You have a macro that include add cursor.
Yes, I do.
Ready?
Alright, green board, let's go. Alright, remember everyone be on top of the bosses.
People who aren't switching to the Ravagers, you know who you are.
No, they don't.
Actually, several got whispered.
Back.
Ravagers up. I can see who's targeting the boss right now, boys. Come on.
Valorous Barbados.
Ravagers up. There's lots of people targeting the boss, though. It's crazy.
Gonna need
Don't
help.
stand on the acidic here. Don't stand on them.
Someone get that in a Thank you.
Charges out, come on. Get those guys in. They're in the other one, so those. Everyone.
Much better.
Big heals don't need much support.
Want somebody has wings just so that when he procs below zero, I can. Spawn acidic Akir, don't stand in them. Link, 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 link. Move.
Yeah, you might have to.
I'm gonna rapture.
Charges out, bring them in. Bring me charges.
Bringing your ad in.
Alright, watch out for
Here's.
Kiers.
Tech damage, tech.
Yep, everyone needs to be on tech.
Ravager.
Ravager is up.
Already giving the healers spread out. Personal on Leon.
That part.
On that Ravager.
Boys, what do you want next time?
Slowly, come back to
That swings.
Here.
Spread out.
Bring
Got
the
it.
charges in. 15 charges.
Those are both of my CCs to keep them here. Keep them CC'd. Keep them CC'd. Spread out. Alright, I'm going to salvation here.
More damage on them.
Alright, we're gonna need a barrier. Everyone in the barrier, pop every personal you got. Wait.
Rally.
Wait, then.
I didn't call it, I just said we're going to need a barrier.
Alright, keep going. We're still doing strong.
Boys, darters.
Darters indeed. There's still a darter in the back.
Don't lose sight of the mechanics. Nope.
Good grip. Good grip.
Thank you for getting one. Spread out, spread out, spread out. Give your melee plenty of room.
Reversing. Roaming's last starter. Guys.
Going in with
Second
him.
thought.
Second pot. Defensives if you need them.
Did some more
Here coming
damage.
up. Hatchlings.
Instead of here, yeah.
Everybody take a deep
Get
breath
the
with
safe
mechanics.
spot. Yep, get the safe spot.
The mechanics, we kill the boss, okay?
Use personal. Scotch, we got a healing cooldown, I see.
He's going. Bronze.
Okay. Don't worry about the Ravager.
damage on
No,
Kazir.
get Kazir, get the bosses. Don't worry about Ravager.
Damage on Kazir.
Channeling.
He's up. He's ahead of Petrick by a lot.
Boss is so easy, guys. Like, I don't get...
Clear your chat. Get Kazir down.
Turn back the round.
So what were you guys doing? Like that was easy as shit.
Oh, we
Feels
just
good to be
needed
back.
switch to the ads.
Guys,
My god, that makes sense.
so the people,
fucking easy to just
the
kill
people
at.
that I had to whisper more is to whisper you. I love you, but before this pull I hated you. But now I love you again. But before
No, at the same time, what's frustrating about that is if it takes Morris to individually whisper people instead of them listening to raid commands, and you